Hey friends, I am here today to do an unboxing from Styles by Design. This really cute dress that I have on, I will show you in another video because I want to show you the boots and everything, the way I put it together. But this dress is from Styles by Design as well. And I just got a box of surprises from my friend Nadine. Link is in the comments and in the descriptions. I've already done the hard part of cutting it open, but now let's see what she sent me to show off. So I'm always a big fan of animal print. And then I'll do some shorts and show you guys how I'm gonna wear these. Super cute. That will definitely be a go-to for me this summer. One of my favorite colors. Anything coral, peachy, speaks to me. Cute. Thank you, Nadine. I've got some color here. Oh, shoulder pads. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've had shoulder pads on anything since I was in my 20s, and that was just a few years ago, but I love shoulder pads, and if they're coming back, I'm in. Cute. This will be really fun. Ooh, ooh. And she went, ooh. Because all the ideas are already going through my mind of what to do with this dress. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun. I have fun with all of them. Don't let me fool you. Oh, and this is like the coral peachy one. And I am a big fan of gray tones, so this is good. And I'm loving the color of these buttons. I don't know if the buttons, so that didn't pop out at me on the coral one, right? But it popped out on this one, and so you know, I'm gonna have to make my jewelry go with. And the jewelry I'm wearing is from Sedalia Designs. Nadine still carries Sedalia Designs. There is still a Sedalia Designs wholesale group on Facebook. I no longer own it, but you can still get jewelry from them. I'll put the link below. And, oh, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. I like this. I like it. All right, so now the fun begins. I get to model it all.